Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you will learn how to use connecting words in English. These words help you join ideas and speak more clearly and smoothly. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to speak longer sentences with confidence. If you like learning English in a simple way, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Let's start. Ali is a college student, and he has a very busy day. He wakes up early because he has an important class. He feels a little tired, but he still gets ready quickly. He wants to be on time, so he skips breakfast. On the way to college, he meets his friend Sarah. She says, "You look tired, but you are still moving fast." Ali smiles and says, "Yes, I am tired, but I cannot be late." In class, the teacher gives a task. It is a group project, and everyone must work together. Ali feels confused at first because the task is new. Sarah says, "Don't worry, we can do it step by step." Ali agrees, so they start working. They discuss ideas and they share their thoughts. After some time, Ali feels more confident because he understands the task now. Later, they finish their work and the teacher is happy. The teacher says, "You did a good job, so keep practicing." After class, Ali wants to relax, but he still has homework. He thinks, "I am tired, but I will finish my work." At night, he completes everything and he feels proud. He says, "Today was hard, but I did not give up." Slow listening practice. Ali wakes up early because he has a class. He is tired, but he gets ready. He wants to be on time, so he skips breakfast. The task is new, so he feels confused. He works with his friend, and they share ideas. He feels confident because he understands. He is tired, but he finishes his work. He did not give up. Vocabulary words. Tired. Meaning, feeling low energy. Example, I feel tired after school. Task. Meaning, a piece of work to do. Example, I have a task to complete. Confused. Meaning, not understanding something. Example, I feel confused in math class. Confident, meaning sure about yourself. Example, she feels confident when she speaks English. Relax, meaning to rest and feel calm. Example, I relax after my homework. Now phrases section. On time, meaning not late. Example, I always come to class on time. Step by step, meaning slowly and carefully. Example, learn English step by step. Don't worry, meaning stay calm. Example, don't worry, you will learn. Work together, meaning help each other. Example, students work together in groups. Good job, meaning praise for work. Example, teacher says, good job. Idiom, did not give up, meaning did not stop trying. Example, he was tired, but he did not give up. Now it's your turn. Listen again, repeat the sentences, and try to use connecting words like and, but, because, and so in your daily speaking. Practice every day. That's how you improve. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson.